Imagine you have to reach out to 50 different businesses on their contact form, and they're all individual, and you have to fill out each one of those. So I'm going to show how an agent can really help that out. So like you saw in the last video, we got a spreadsheet and we basically scraped information. We got the contact information, and now we ran a agent on every row of the spreadsheet to go to the contact page, scrape the contact page, and build a script to fill it out. So what we're doing here is, for example, you can see this is a big function. These agents are very good at reading code. So when you start thinking about, oh man, I have to do this repetitive task, how do I got to do this? I have to fill out a form. Well, you know what? We have all the data in our memories. So what we do is we actually kick it out to an agent to build a form with all this information that we need to the business. So it's an agent is operating on every row of our spreadsheet is what we're doing. And we do that with our tools because we can launch an agent on essentially every row. And this is very powerful. So when we look at our spreadsheet, we get this big giant script in here essentially. And then we are going to, I think this is, that's the one we want. We want to copy that. And then, actually, let's go to a different one. Here's one. So let's go to this. So if we go to this website here, and then we open up this, so we got to operationalize this. But what you see here is something that's really dope. And you take the script, you go to the console, and then we paste this in here. So we have one more step to do. What you can see is we've just gotten a step here that we can just move a little bit faster. Obviously we gotta polish some things in here. So obviously I have to go back. So this is kind of a test to see what we can do. But basically for every contact page, we can basically fill out a custom form, and we're just moving that much faster. So the next thing is, how do we get this data into an extension so we can go a lot faster? So what we've done is we've used agents to scrape or identify 50 businesses that we want to reach out to. Then we want to speed up the process of contacting them. And then of course, speed up the process of managing all these contacts. And agents are very good at this. So I'm going to be managing 50 different communications a lot more easier, because this is what this technology is really good at, is it's very good at helping you search through data if you can work with it, right? So in this case, I can fill out 50 different forms significantly faster, and kind of filters, like they don't want bots filling this out. But what we can do is we can fill out the information that's available, and then we can hit submit as a person operating on their website. But we can just kind of fill out the redundant things and just move a lot faster and keep everything tracked. So yeah, that's working with agents.